Weathering steel offers both durability and a distinctive natural appearance, making it a popular choice for landscape and outdoor architectural applications. In this video, Starway Manufacturing showcases the CNC bending process for weathering steel, guarding edging components. Production begins with the first article. Before batch manufacturing, every bending angle dimension and forming position is carefully inspected to ensure the part meets engineering specification. First article inspection helps verify that the bending program, tooling setup, and production parameters are all correctly configured before full production begins. Once the first part is approved, batch production starts to improve both efficiency and operator safety. An assisted sheet support system helps handle large weathering steel panels. During the bending process, the support device keeps the material stable while reducing manual handling, allowing consistent bending results, even on long and heavyweight pieces. Every bend follows the program sequence to maintain dimensional accuracy and repeatability throughout the production run. For landscape edging products, consistent angles and straightness are essential for easy installation and a clean finished appearance. After bending, the semi-finished components are organized into production batches and prepared for the next manufacturing stage. These parts are ready for welding, assembly, surface aging, or direct shipment according to customer requirements. At Starway Manufacturing, every project is supported by controlled processes, quality inspection, and engineering-driven manufacturing solutions. From laser cutting and CNC bending to welding, assembly and packaging, we provide complete custom sheet metal manufacturing for global OEM customers. Precision build, process control,